Grab one fabulous looking white onion, chop out the bottom and take out any green bits. And then we're going to slice up, leaving that bottom intact. And then dice them all up, nice and thin. And do the exact same thing to the other side. And then once you've got them all nicely finely chopped, you can pop them off to the side. Then pop them into a large mixing bowl. Make sure you get everybody in there. And along with all that minced onion, we're going to put in 400 grams of chicken mince. And then grab a tablespoon of starch and sprinkle it all in there as best you can, along with a tablespoon of sake. And lastly, a teaspoon of salt. And now pop on a food safe glove and just squeeze everybody together to make sure everyone's one consistent paste. Now we're going to go ahead and make our balls. So first of all, grab a chopstick and separate it into 8 slices. Now pull out one slice of your meaty pizza and roll it into a ball. Or perhaps more accurately, a rounded patty. Now that you're convinced that it's not going to fall apart when you plop it down, you can do that to all of your meaty slices. I'm not sure where this 9th one came from, but whatever. Now let's head over to the flame. In a small fry pan, add in a tablespoon of oil and fry them up on a medium flame. You don't have to squish them down this much, but whatever. And then just pile as many in as you can without crowding the pan too much. Once it starts getting brown on one side, you can flip everybody over. Just want to make sure that everybody's nice and seared through. So pop on a fabulous looking lid and leave it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open up the lid and give everybody a nice flippity flip just to brown off that last side. Now once you're cooking on the other side, you can pop the lid back on and another 3 minutes. Steam fry brownie boys. Open up that lid because it's time to make some sauce. And then just simply chuck in 2 tablespoons of sake, mirin and soy sauce. And then just reduce all of that down into a nice sticky, goopy sauce. And now you're all ready to plate up. Let's head over to the chopping block. Grab a small plate and a couple of skewers and then skewer on 3 chicken dumplings. And you're just gonna do that another 2 more times. Of course, they are still hot at this stage, so be careful of your fingers. And once all these chicken boys have been skewered, we can take our lovely sauce that's sitting in the bottom of that pan and drizzle it over everybody. Make sure that sticky sauce is everywhere. And then lastly, garnish with some sort of greenery. We're using Kaiwara today. Now in terms of tips, the only one we've got for you today is to make sure that you cook these all the way through. Chicken and salmonella go hand in hand, so do be careful. And also make sure that you're getting a nice browning on both sides. Also, if this very simple sauce is not doing it for you, you can also add 1 egg yolk into a little bowl and dip it in there. Eggs in Japan are pasteurized, so you can eat them raw. Check in your country if they are pasteurized or not because salmonella. But if you like what we do here, feel free to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, maybe leave us a comment down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!